Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add whiteboard on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on effect at the bottom and then click on video effects. And at the menu, you can click on the basic. Click on basic and swipe down until you can see whiteboard. This one. So you just click on it. And after this, you can click check icon in here. And finish. So that's how to add whiteboard on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.